Hey, Captain Kenny here. Just received my PMD upgrade kit from Leroy Diesel. Thank you, Leroy. Hopefully this will fix my truck. It's going to extend the location of where the PMD is by 6 foot. Let's do a unboxing. Bought this Thursday. It's Monday. Got here in 2.5 days. That's the new PMD cable. Should be able to locate it underneath the bumper is what he recommends. So we're going to do what the recommendation is. I'm sick of messing with this truck. Put a new injector pump on it and have nothing but problems with it for the last 2 months. Instructions. Comes with 4 mounting screws, 2 short, 2 long. The short screws must be used in the recessed area of the PMD. These screws must be tightened to torque specifications of 20 inch-pounds. Be sure to place this mounting gasket between the pump and the surface mounting of the PMD. There's the screws, but they all 4 look like they're the same. 2 short and 2 long. They must just be a little bit long. It's only got 1 screw. Huh. Oh, I guess it's going to go through like that. There's a little puppy right there. Oh, crap. There's the number 5 resistor. It's going to go in there. Okay. That's it. It's everything you get. $230 right there. Hopefully that'll fix my problem. It's been stalling all the time now that I put the new injector pump on. So y'all stay tuned. There might be some cussing going on.